Welcome back. In this video, you'll learn how to unpair your Huawei Band 9 from your Android phone. So all you need to do is simply open the Huawei Health app. And then from here, in the devices section, you should see your Huawei Band 9. Tap on it. From here, to unpair it, you want to tap on this icon in the top right corner of the screen. And then you should see this option, Unpair Device. So just tap on it and the band will be disconnected from your phone. Alternatively, if you haven't installed the Huawei Health app, you can just open the Bluetooth settings on your Android phone. And then in your Bluetooth settings, you should see the band. So just tap on it to disconnect, then tap on the settings icon and select Unpair and unpair it from your Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.